Children, today's date is 21st of August and the year is 2020 and today's day is Friday. Today is our theme day. Yes? So what's the theme that we are studying for this session? The name of our theme is Mini Beasts. So we have learned about quite a few mini beasts until now. So today we are going to learn a few facts about a dragonfly. Here I have a picture in front of me of a dragonfly. So it's an actual photograph of a dragonfly. Yes, a dragonfly is one of the most beautiful little creatures that you see around. Yes, and they are very friendly. They do not bite. They don't even carry any germs on their body. Yes, and you see their wings. They have one of the most beautiful wings. And usually you'll see creatures who fly have just one set of wings. Yes, just two wings. Just a set of wings. But a dragonfly has two set of wings. That is, it has four wings. So this is one set and this is the second set. Yes, so it has two sets of wings. That means it has four wings. Can we count the wings over here of the dragonfly? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, so the wings that are on the front near the head are a little shorter, and the ones those are behind are a little longer and even wider. Yeah, they are wider and longer. Yes, and their wings are very thin. It's very thin and it's a see-through wing. You can see to the other side. Yeah, it's almost like a net. Just like you have a net cloth and you can see the other side as well. Just like that, they have wings. You see the pattern on their wings? Just like a net. Yeah, it's a see-through wing. But they can, even though they have, the wings are very light, but they can fly very high. And they can flap their wings very fast. Yes, so that is why they are called dragonflies, yeah, because they can fly very high. They are one of the creatures who can fly high. Another body part that we can see here closely is, can you see the head over here? And they have eyes on the head. And they have a very good eyesight. Yes, they can almost see everywhere except for behind. They have very good vision. They can see very nicely. They have two big eyes on the head. And just like other mini beasts, the dragonfly also has 6 legs. Yes, they have 6 legs. It's difficult to count here. Yeah, but they have 6 legs. So it's 3 on this side and 3 on this side. So they have 6 legs. Yes, and they have a long abdomen here. But they are not very long. Maybe they are just like 2.5 inches long, the dragonfly. And they come in different colors. Sometimes they are brown, some are red, some are green. And there are also blue color dragonflies. Yeah, they look very beautiful. Even they have a little blue color on their wings as well. About the body of the dragonfly, we can see here. So this is a black dragon with some yellow spots. So there are different kinds of dragonflies, and it has, but the major part is the same. Yeah, the body parts are the same. It has 4 wings. It has 2 eyes on the head, and it has 6 legs. Yes, and it has a tongue which it uses to catch its prey. Yeah, and they love to eat mosquitoes. Yeah, at a time they can eat hundreds of mosquitoes. They love eating mosquitoes. So the small baby dragonflies, they like to eat small insects on the ground, because they are small and they cannot fly. But the big ones, the adult dragonfly, it likes to catch insects which are flying. So it likes to catch mosquitoes. Yes, and where do you find these sweet little creatures? Yeah, it's usually you find them near a place where there's water. They like to hatch their eggs near water. So usually they are found in places where it's a little swampy, not very dry. And they like, the weather has to be a little warm, not cold or very hot. So this is a perfect time when you can see so many dragonflies during the evening time, when the sun is setting. Yes, it's the perfect time when you can really catch hold and see some dragonflies. So they are usually found in warm places, where there is water and there are some plants. But they can also be found in the mountains and deserts. But there's going to be a different variety over there. And for food, you can see the eyes over here very closely. You see this dragonfly? So this is the head of the dragonfly, and then you can see the eyes. They have really big eyes, and they have good vision. They can see very nicely in all directions, except for behind. They can see in all directions very nicely. And for food, the baby dragonflies, the young dragonflies, they eat water insects. I told you they hatch their eggs near water, so they come out as small babies just near water. So they cannot fly that time. So they like to eat water insects. And once they are big enough and they can fly, they like to eat insects that are flying, just like mosquitoes. And they eat many more. They eat even small little minibeasts. They like to eat ladybugs, and they like to eat beetles. But mosquito happens to be their favorite. And then this is the life cycle. How is it? How does it take birth? A little dragonfly. So first there is an egg. Yes, and out of the egg comes the nymph. So they have different names. So first they are in the egg. Once they come out of the egg, they are called nymphs. And then they slowly become an adult. And then they have to pump some liquid in their wings, because they are told to be adults only if they can fly nicely. Once they are able to fly, they are called adults. Then they are called grown-ups. Yes. And once they grow into this beautiful creature who can fly and flap their wings. Very harmless creatures. They don't harm anyone. Okay, so I want all of you children to go. You'll easily see them during the monsoons, during the sunset time. It should not be raining, because when it's raining, they like to hide beneath the leaves, to protect themselves. But when it's not raining and the weather is good, you can really get hold of some of these dragonflies. They look beautiful, and usually they are in a group. It's not, you'll see them in a group. And they look beautiful together. So I want you to look for dragonflies. And you'll easily see them during the evening time. Okay, children? So this was about dragonflies. Happy learning.